Did you know that Orlando has approximately 233 days of sunshine per year? No wonder Florida is called the Sunshine State. Well, Orlando's reputation as a top tourist destination is closely tied to its sunny weather. Visitors flock to the city to enjoy outdoor attractions, theme parks, water parks, and various recreational activities that are made possible by the pleasant climate. Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to Travel Guide International, where we bring you the most exciting travel destinations and insider tips. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Orlando, Florida, the city that's synonymous with magic and adventure. If you're planning a visit to this incredible city in 2023, you're in for a treat. We've got a list of the top Orlando attractions that will make your trip absolutely unforgettable. So, grab your Mickey ears and get ready for a magical journey through the Sunshine State. Number 1. Walt Disney World, the happiest place on earth. We couldn't possibly start this list without mentioning the iconic Walt Disney World. It's not just an attraction, it's a world of its own. From the enchanting Cinderella Castle to the thrilling rides in Adventureland, there's something for everyone. With new additions like Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge, it's a must-visit for all ages. With its enchanting theme parks, iconic characters, and immersive experiences, this enchanted destination continues to capture the imagination of generations. Just as Walt Disney himself once envisioned a place where joy, laughter, and dreams flourish, making memories that will last a lifetime. Number 2. Universal Orlando Resort. Epic adventures await. Home to the wizarding world of Harry Potter, this place is pure magic. Imagine sipping butterbeer in Hogsmeade or escaping the clutches of a dinosaur in Jurassic Park. And don't miss the epic roller coasters at Islands of Adventure. Every corner of this resort is a portal to cinematic wonder. As you stroll down the cobblestone street of Diagon Alley or witness dinosaurs come to life at Jurassic Park, the magic of movies becomes your reality. With world-class entertainment, dining, and immersive experiences, Universal Orlando Resort promises an unforgettable journey into the realms of imagination, where every visit is a new chapter in your own cinematic adventure. Number 3. Epcot. Travel the world in a day. If you're a globetrotter, you'll love Epcot. It's like taking a trip around the world in a single day. Taste cuisine from different countries, explore futuristic technologies, and immerse yourself in cultures from every corner of the globe. Originally conceptualized as the experimental prototype community of tomorrow, the perfect city of the future dreamt up by Walt Disney himself, Epcot is now a Disney World theme park celebrating human achievement and culture. With a combination of internationally inspired pavilions and a focus on innovation and technology, the theme park feels like a permanent World's Fair, and it's a must-visit if you're traveling to Orlando. Number 4. Disney's Animal Kingdom, a wildlife adventure. Animal lovers, you're in for a treat. At Disney's Animal Kingdom, this park combines the magic of Disney with the wonders of nature. Get up close and personal with exotic animals. And don't miss the breathtaking Pandora, the world of Avatar. Animal Kingdom's 500 acres are home to some 1,700 animals representing 250 different species throughout the park. A ride on the Kilimanjaro Safari will give you a chance to see many of them as they take you through the African savanna. In an effort to keep the animals on a strict schedule, Animal Kingdom typically closes earlier than the other Walt Disney World theme parks. Arriving first thing in the morning is usually recommended during peak season. Kilimanjaro Safari and Expedition Everest get long lines very quickly, so be sure to hit those first. Or at least get fast passes early in the day. Pro tip: if you're planning on taking pictures on the safari, try to get a seat on the end of the row. That way, you won't have people sit in your pictures. Plan on riding it twice to get the animals on each side of the truck. Number 5. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Magic beyond imagination. For all you Potterheads out there, this one's for you. Step into the pages of J.K. Rowling's books at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Stroll through Diagon Alley, ride the Hogwarts Express, and cast spells with your very own wand. It's pure enchantment. Whether it's soaring on a broomstick with Harry and his friends, or braving the depths of Gringotts Bank, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Orlando is a place where every visitor becomes a part of the enchanting story, making memories that will last a lifetime. Are you enjoying our video? Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to show your support. Remember to also hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on our next videos. Number 6. Icon Park Entertainment Extravaganza. Icon Park is where entertainment meets excitement. From dining at unique restaurants to soaring high on the wheel, this place is a hub of fun and laughter. It's the perfect spot for a relaxed evening after a day of theme park adventures. Nestled along International Drive, this bustling complex offers a dynamic mix of attractions, dining, shopping, and entertainment for visitors of all ages. Marvel at the wheel, Icon Park's iconic observation wheel, which provides breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Florida skyline. Take a leisurely stroll along the bustling promenade line with an array of restaurants, shops, and vibrant street performances. Number 7. Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Reach for the stars. Ever dreamt of becoming an astronaut? The Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex will make your dreams take flight. Discover the history of space exploration, see real-life rockets, and even witness a rocket launch if you time your visit right. Witness the heroes of space travel as you explore the Heroes and Legends exhibit. Stand in the shadow of monumental launch pads, and perhaps even witness a rocket launch in person. The Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex is not just a destination. It's a tribute to the indomitable spirit of exploration, a place where the past, present, and future of space travel unite in a symphony of inspiration. Number 8. Gatorland. Get up close with gators. Want to get up close and personal with some toothy reptiles? Head over to Gatorland. This is the alligator capital of the world. You can even try your hand at feeding these magnificent creatures. It's a truly unique Orlando experience. Gatorland isn't just about alligators, though. It's also home to a diverse range of animals, from rare white alligators to exotic birds and snakes. With thrilling zip lines, wildlife encounters, and educational experiences, Gatorland is a place where the wonders of the Florida swamps come to life, offering visitors of all ages a captivating and unforgettable journey in the world of reptiles and adventure. Have you ever been to any of these exciting tourist spots? Share us your experience in the comments below. Number 9. SeaWorld Orlando. Dive into ocean adventures. If you have a deep fascination for marine life, SeaWorld Orlando is your go destination. From thrilling rides to awe-inspiring animal encounters, this place offers a sea of opportunities for fun and education. Nestled along the vibrant International Drive, this beloved park offers an unforgettable blend of marine life, thrilling attractions, and captivating shows. Start your journey with awe-inspiring encounters where you can get up close and personal with dolphins, penguins, sea turtles, and many other aquatic wonders. Number 10. LEGOLAND, Florida. Build memories brick by brick. Last but not the least, if you're traveling with little ones, LEGOLAND, Florida is a must-visit. Let their imaginations run wild as they explore incredible LEGO creations, go on rides, and even build their own LEGO masterpieces. So, as we bid adieu To this radiant city, remember that Orlando's warmth isn't just in its weather. It's in the smiles of its residents, the laughter of its visitors, and the countless memories made under its sunny skies. So there you have it, folks. These are the top Orlando attractions you absolutely cannot miss in 2023. Whether you're a Disney fanatic, a nature lover, or just seeking adventure, Orlando has something magical in store for you. Whether you're a resident, a tourist, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the Sunshine State, Orlando will always hold a special place in your heart, where the sun shines bright and the possibilities are endless. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels and